All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. I am Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you this beautiful farm contemporary home. Again, so today we are back out here in the city of Las Vegas, north, not the city of North Las Vegas now, just we're in the city of Las Vegas, just on the north side of Las Vegas. So today we are going to be touring this Toll Brothers home. And this home right here is a spec home, which will be completed here in about a month or so for sale, the way it stands. It states that on the MLS, the asking price is $882,995,000. This property is located in a gated community called Lusitano Ranch. I love saying that. I don't know why. But this community consists of 36 lots. This home is about 1.5 acres. You do have an option to check this out, to throw an RV here. Now we did tour the model. Now the model is actually back there, okay? That was one of the first videos that we did, which is the Stratford. Then we did another video tour of that one right there, which is the Ridgewood. Now, let's take a look at the Baldwin, okay? Now, if you were going to purchase the Baldwin for the modern farmhouse style, the base price, if you're going to build, starts off at $725,995,000. Now, this one is $882,995. So it looks like they did how much in upgrades? 25, about $110,000 in upgrades. So we're gonna take a look and see what they have in upgrades. 3-car garage. This is an insulated garage door, which is really nice. Love the fact that you do have a access side door here. Here's your tankless water heater and soft water hookup. All right, let's go through the front here. Love the pavers. Love the siding. Contrast with the stucco. And you got the nice front veneer. I believe on these ones you do have 3 options. Here's your kiosk right there. Toll Brothers is starting to be big on that. You have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Looks like you have a pre-wire for a camera right there. You have a nice 8-foot door. All right, let's go inside. So as we come on in, you'll see we have a 12 by 24 on the tiles, nice and open. Opens right out to the backyard. You have a 20-foot slide. Look at this. You got 12-foot ceilings. I remember I used to dunk on 12-foot rim. Matter of fact, they don't even make 12-foot rims. But here's the thing. When I used to live on base in Hawaii, they actually had a rim that was 12 feet. It was weird. Oh, look at this slider. 20-foot slider. Now, these slides, believe it or not, okay, are not vinyl, which is kind of odd to me. I would think that this would be a vinyl slide. I would prefer a vinyl slide. I mean, not a vinyl slide, but aluminum slide. So let's see what we have. We have your hookup for your TV. Then you have your gas fireplace here, heat glow, and here is your HDMI connection. So it looks like all your components are going to go here. You have an option to build later on. And here's your HDMI cable. The only thing that sucks, you see how like this thing is hung right here? Once that goes down in there, oops, that is hard to get. I would definitely have a string hanging for sure. This right here looks like it would have been a room because there's a closet here. So what would you have done right here? Make this into an office or something? Because this this room, it was a 3-bedroom, 3 baths. Okay, 3-car garage. I guess, what would you do with this? Make this into like a wine room or something? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I love the fact that they did the 6-can lighting here, and it looks like they did 2 chandelier. Okay, so it looks like you would probably put maybe a dining room set here, then your kitchen nook here, I would say. Because there's also a pre-wire for a ceiling fan, which is really nice. I love these windows right here for sure. And then you have your 6-foot slide, dual pane. And let's take a look at this island. Love this island. Straight up from the big island where I love my land. Wow, I love this quartz countertops. This is no seams, 1 piece, 2-inch with a 2-inch waterfall. You got thermofoil cabinets. This is directly from Urban Effects, okay? And take a look at this. Dovetails, which is really nice with the undermounted slide, soft closing cabinets. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. Check the warranty with the builder on how to clean this product. You do not want to ruin these cabinets. Love the KitchenAid with the double stack. And then you have your microwave here with the standard built-in pantry. Okay. And these are like completely full overlay cabinets, which is really nice. 42-inch on the cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Not too sure if they added LED lights here or not. On this one, they didn't do the LED lights because they didn't have a light rail. Love this. Is this going to be exhausting out? Yep, okay, so you have an exhaust vent out. Now, this just trips me the hell out. Some builders will not add that in, but they will charge you. I figured that would be standard. I'm not saying that this builder does it, but I'm just saying in general. Now, let's take a look at this. You got your undermounted sink with the nice front apron stainless steel, okay? Now, with the stainless steel, it scratches a lot faster than any other sinks out there. However, with the stainless steel, right, there's a way to take out the scratches, okay? You're going to get like a wool pad and you're going to scrub it lightly with a certain type of chemical, and then you can take out the scratches. Now just Google that. Soap dispenser, push button right there for the garbage disposal. Let's go down this way here. What do we have? You got your thermostat here. You got your doorbell. And it looks like you got your return for your air conditioning unit. I'm just going to come straight down this hallway here into one of the bedrooms. So this is a fairly large bedroom. This is the bedroom up in the front. These are 12 by 12s, it looks like. Now in this one, they did a pre-wire your 1-in-1 Cat 6 and your cable outlet right here. So your TV is going to go there. Now, what I've noticed on here, they had pre-wire for the alarm for all the windows, which is really nice. 6-panel door with your 3-inch casing. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. You got a 30-inch vanity here, under-mounted sinks again, brushed nickel, and you got your mirror. Coming across here, here's your tub shower combo. It is a fiberglass. You have a, I think this is a 24-inch. I definitely would have got rid of this shower rod, but you could do that after. Here's the second bedroom. However, we're not going to go in there just yet. We're going to go this way, so that way I can get you guys to get your bearings. And I love the fact that they did a jumper duct for the return line. That is a good upgrade. Now here's that second bedroom. Second bedroom here. TV is going to go here. Looks like it's pre-wired. Now the downfall with the other 2 bedrooms, you don't have the 4-can lighting, but the good news is you got the pre-wire ceiling fan. At least do the pre-wire ceiling fan. Okay? It could be anywhere from $175 to $250 depending on which builder. Now the other thing that you need to double check is that these are 8-foot doors. 8-foot doors may not be included with some builders. You're going to have to do the upgrade. Then you also have to upgrade the ceilings. Some builders are starting to get away from that now, where they're not charging you on the upgrades on the ceiling, because a lot of builders now, they're just doing the floor plans that are automatically 9-foot ceilings, but you do have an option to do 10-foot ceilings. But when you start doing 10-foot ceilings, those homes are going to be around more like 3,000 square feet. So on this spec, it looks like they did a pre-plumbing and added the sink here with all these cabinets, which is really nice. What do we have here? This is just probably storage. Yep. Okay. And here's our half bath. Now let's go back here. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. You know, let's go to the backyard real quick. You got the covered patio. Half-acre lots. They're about 22,000 square feet. Wow, look at those mountains right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Looks like you had an option to do a window here too as well. Look at all this right here. You got the RV parking. And this is big enough to build like a mini dirt bike track. That's for sure. I'm sure the HOAs won't allow it. But this size of a backyard, you gotta understand, if you're buying this for 8 something, you're gonna have to do the backyard. How much is that gonna cost you, right? So now let's go this way. We're gonna go to the master here. So the master is separate from others, but as we walk in, you have our master bathroom. So you have your nice 36 inches on the vanity. You have your pop out on your windows here, so they're gonna float this mirror, which is kind of cool. But I looked at it to see if there was any electrical as far as like LED lights in the background. They're not gonna add that here. So here's your walk-in shower. Let me know if you guys like the brown tone. And I love how they finish this tile up here in the back. Just talking about attention to detail. Okay. Coming into the master closet. Just all stock and standard here. Orange peel texture, 2-tone paint. All the hardware is all brushed nickel. Okay. This is our water closet. Right over here. Then we're going to finish up with the master, the bedroom here. So the master bedroom is pretty large. According to the description, it is 21 by 17. You also have a master retreat too as well. Typically what you'll do with the master retreat, you can have this kind of like your reading room, right? Kind of like a sunroom, you would say. Now these are 12-foot ceilings with a tray ceiling. That tray ceiling looks like 1.5 feet on the tray. You got 4-can lighting on here with the pre-wire of the ceiling fan. However, it looks like they do have the 4 rocker switch. It was really nice. Also included the alarm system and the thermostat right there. And also you have your 60-inch on the pre-wire. Looks like they're going to be hanging the TV here. So it looks like TV goes here. I don't know if it should be centered or not. So this is something that you have to pre-plot and design prior to all your wiring, because if you're going to put it down the center, if not, then your bed is forced to go here. But take a look at this. You have your 110 here, 110 here, typically the bed would go down the middle. This 110 should have been moved more off to the side. Again, this is something that has to be pre-thought out, because now your TV is going to go here, your bed is offset, unless if you wanted to do that for a reason. I don't know if that's the case. Here is your attic access right here, and also your return line for your air conditioning unit. So let's come back through here to the front. If you guys are interested in this property, I'll have a link in the description below. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. And, you know, I just wanted to say, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You know, we're at 180,000 subscribers, and the channel is growing. And at the end of the day, for some of you guys that has been with me for some time, you guys understand that, you know, this channel is really to help you guys and to help educate you, to let you guys know what is going on. Okay? Some of you guys get it, some of you guys don't, which is fine. But I would say probably about 95% of the people, or 100% that are subscribed, right? I'm going to say 100%, understand the concept of this channel. The ones that are just tuning in, all I can say is do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and keep watching. Then you're going to understand what this channel is really all about. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.